So, and today my choice is Hailey Bieber, and I would like to recreate her style, her look, her hairstyle from red carpet, and just highlights. So it was French twist, minimum volume, very stylish and very sleek, right? So let's begin. First of all, I want to just a little bit base for Updo. So clip the right side and same the left side. I want to divide it crown zone and the bottom. So now I want to finish sides. Brush it, spray it, and brush it again, and clip it. And now I'm going to tie these two parts at the back. So these two, both sides, what I'm doing. So first one, second one, right? And now I need to finish the face part, and I'm going to do a third one here. So this one's so popular detail in the hair looks now, you know, like a middle part, and just sleek. So the same technique in the other side, other side, and brush it and clip it. So I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's so important part. All the parts is important, of course. So 1, 2, 3, right? And I'm going to clip it just carefully. And now I need to do the twist. So for this one, I'm going to teasing it a little bit because her hair is not too thick. I'm going to twist it in this side from right to left. But first of all, I want to put some bobby pins to secure it and do some base for the twist. So, and now I need to twist it in this side. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.